Okay, hello. My name is Shelby, and I'm not a YouTuber. I actually am just a nail fanatic. I love to do my own nails. I do all of my own services, waxing, all of that. But the video that I'm making today concerns dip powders. So I do gels. Recently got into dip powders, and I have all sorts of great nail supplies. Let me pan a little bit so you all can see what I'm talking about. I don't really use my regular nail polishes very much anymore. My oldest daughter's really into them, so I keep them for her. There are my dip powders. I don't know if you all can see that. Yeah. Along with my wine and all that, and some other nail supplies files. And behind me on my wall is my collection of gel nail polishes. The reason that I'm making a video today is that I recently got a steam off machine to take off gel nail polish applications for myself, my family members, and I wanted to know if this would be effective if to take off a dip powder application. So what I have on my nails right now is a dip powder, and I'm ready to change my polish. I know it doesn't look very grown out, but I really don't go by growth. I go by if I'm still loving the color. I get bored quickly, which is why I started doing my own nails in the first place. So I am going to see if it works. I'm going to file the top of it like it's instructed, like you're instructed to do with one of the steam off machines. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is what I'm talking about. It's just, rather than wrapping your hands, like putting a cotton ball in acetone and then, wrapping your fingers, franken fingers in the aluminum foil, you just fill this with acetone. Well, you don't fill it, you actually put a very small amount of acetone in there, and in about 15 minutes per hand, you've got your polish soaked off, your gel polish soaked off. And it worked well. I used it on my sister, my older sister. She was soaking off the gel. And now I'm going to try it for my dip powder just to see if it works. And since I didn't see any videos on YouTube that showed dip powder being removed with a steam off machine, I figured I'd put one up there. And so if it works, great. And everyone will know that, and you'll know it's effective. And if it doesn't work, also great, because then you'll know it's not effective, or maybe you'll figure out some other method to make it effective. So I'll be right back. Let me just file the top of my nails, and we will see how this thing works with dip powder.